May bago at exciting na pasyalan sa Pampanga. Ito ang Pradera Islands theme park sa Lubao. Kung naghahanap ka ng lugar na swak sa buong pamilya, tropa o special date, dito mo matatagpuan yan. May 25 rides and attractions na pwedeng subukan mula thrill rides hanggang sa mga nakaka-relax na paligid. Maluwag ang grounds, maraming open space para maglakad-lakad, mag-picture taking at mag-enjoy lang sa fresh air. 3 restaurant na bukas ngayon at may isa pang naghihintay pang mag-open para mas marami pang pagpipilian sa pagkain.
We have currently 25 rides and attractions. And we have big ones, we have small ones, we have attractions for small kids, we have bigger rides for the more grown-ups. And we still have the 2 attractions to come. And we are planning to have them ready around, now I need to take care of what I'm saying, but something like the beginning of December, we should be fully equipped and finished with all our rides and attractions. So we are waiting to have a big duck ride, and we are also waiting to complete a water flume. So yeah, this will be coming up.
Karaniwang entrance fee plus ride all you can ay 1,500 pesos para sa adult. Pero may promo ngayon, 888 pesos lang sa entrance fee plus ride all you can para sa adult. Talagang swak na deal na ito, lalo na kung marami kayong kasama. Special rate din for kids and senior citizens. May parade at mga show tuwing Sabado at Linggo. Ideal para sa mga gustong may live entertainment at iba pang performances habang naglilibot sa park.
Yes, everybody is already very much welcome to visit. We are open every day, and we are doing promos. We are also planning to have our kickstart for the Halloween starting the 24th of October. So please follow us on the different social medias and keep you updated. We have very good promos going at the moment to make sure that everybody is, everybody is ready and able to come and visit us.
Hindi lang rides ang pwedeng ma-enjoy dito. Pwedeng maging bonding moment ito ng pamilya o barkada. Hindi ka mauubusan ng makikita at pwedeng gawin. Tips para sa mga first-timers, magdala ng comfy na damit at sapatos dahil sa mahaba-habang lakaran. Pradera Islands Theme Park sa Lubao ay hindi lang ordinaryong theme park. Pinagsama-sama ang saya, ang kultura ng Pampanga at bonding sa isang araw na puno ng saya at mga alaala. Kaya kung naghahanap ka ng bagong lugar na pwedeng pusuan ng barkada o pamilya, ito na yan. This is Patricia Mamangon on the spot.